I bought an abandoned cabin full of stuff on the ocean. We're about to pull up to it for the very first time. I've never seen it before. I bought this thing over the phone with a couple handshakes. Got my sidekick Ronnie here with me, and we're about to unveil this thing. The previous owner hasn't been here in over 8 years, so no idea what kind of condition it's in. Holy shit, I think I see it. Oh my. It's in rough shape. I can see right in the cabin, for fuck's sake. Floors sunk. Ooh, God.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not too bad. The entranceway is good. Oh no. It's wet. The roof is leaking. Oh, you have water on the floor. Holy shit, though, it's water damage or not, it's a real little house.